Hello wanderers, welcome to Travel Partner, your go-to guide for all things travel. We're your virtual comrades, offering you the best in travel tips, destination guides, and insider information. With us, you'll always be in the know, whether you're planning your next trip or simply daydreaming about far-off lands. Subscribing to our channel means joining a community of fellow explorers, all sharing in the joy of discovery. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's journey together. Today, we're taking you on a virtual trip to the city that never sleeps. Las Vegas, a city where the nights are as bright as the days, where the energy is palpable and the excitement never wanes. This is a city that is designed to dazzle, to entertain, and to leave you in awe. It's the entertainment capital of the world, offering a smorgasbord of shows, concerts, and performances that cater to every taste. Venture beyond the glimmering lights and you'll find a city that is home to unique attractions like the world-renowned Bellagio Fountains and the awe-inspiring High Roller observation wheel. Every corner of Las Vegas is a testament to the human imagination and the desire to create experiences that captivate the senses. From its iconic skyline to its bustling casinos, Las Vegas is a city that promises an unforgettable journey. And remember, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first stop on our list is the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. Now, imagine a place where neon lights blaze against the dark desert sky, where the air hums with energy, and where dreams come to life. That's the Strip for you, a 2.5-mile stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard that serves as the vibrant heart of Sin City. Here, every night feels like a grand celebration. Iconic casinos, each more opulent than the last, line the boulevard, their names synonymous with luxury and excitement. There's the Bellagio, with its entrancing fountain show, the Venetian, where gondoliers serenade visitors along man-made canals, and the MGM Grand, the largest single hotel in the United States, where stars perform and boxing matches captivate the masses. And then, there are the hotels, a blend of the timeless and the contemporary. The Strip is home to some of the world's most luxurious hotels, each one a universe unto itself. From the classic charm of Caesar's Palace to the modern allure of the Aria Resort, these hotels offer the ultimate in comfort and style, their rooms providing breathtaking views of the city's glittering skyline. The Strip also boasts a culinary scene that's nothing short of impressive. You'll find a medley of flavors from all corners of the globe here. Whether it's a 5-star French cuisine at the Eiffel Tower restaurant, mouth-watering Italian dishes at Rao's, or delectable sushi at Nobu, the Strip has something for every palate. But the Strip isn't just about the glitz and the glamour, it's also about the experiences. From thrilling rides atop the Stratosphere Tower to awe-inspiring shows by Cirque du Soleil, the Strip offers a multitude of unforgettable experiences that go beyond the turn of a card or the roll of a dice. The Strip is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore in Vegas, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel insights. Moving away from the Strip, our next stop is the historic Fremont Street, a vibrant blend of old and new. Fremont Street is a living testament to the rich history of Las Vegas. Anchoring the downtown district, it's a hub of entertainment that never sleeps. The street's most iconic feature is undoubtedly the Viva Vision LED canopy. Spanning 5 football fields, this mesmerizing light show paints the night sky with millions of colors, a spectacle that's both surreal and jaw-dropping. The street isn't just about lights, though. It's also a stage for talented street performers who add a unique flavor to the experience. You'll find everything from daring acrobats to soulful musicians, each contributing their own twist to the vibrant street life. And let's not forget the vintage casinos. These time-honored establishments are a nod to Vegas's past, offering a nostalgic trip down memory lane with their retro charm and old-world glamour. Fremont Street is definitely a must-visit. Stay tuned for more amazing destinations and don't forget to subscribe. It's not all glitter in Vegas. Our next stop is the stunning Red Rock Canyon, a place where the vibrant hues of the city give way to the earthy tones of nature. Red Rock Canyon, with its fiery cliffs and rugged terrain, is a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of the Mojave Desert. This natural sanctuary, located a mere 17 miles west of the Las Vegas Strip, is a world apart from the neon lights and bustling casinos. Here, the only sounds you'll hear are the whispering winds, the rustle of desert plants, and the occasional call of wildlife. The canyon boasts a plethora of hiking trails, each offering a unique perspective on its beauty. The Calico Tanks Trail, for example, winds through sandstone formations and leads to a hidden water tank nestled between the rocks. From here you can enjoy a breathtaking view of the Las Vegas Valley. For the more adventurous, the Keystone Thrust Trail presents a challenging hike through a geological marvel. A fault line where older rock layers have been pushed above younger ones. It's a site that's as educational as it is awe-inspiring. Red Rock Canyon is also a haven for wildlife. As you traverse the trails, keep your eyes peeled for the desert bighorn sheep, known for their agility and impressive horns. You might also catch a glimpse of the quick and elusive kit fox, or hear the hoot of the great horned owl echoing through the canyon. But it's not just about the fauna. The flora here is equally captivating. The Joshua tree, an iconic symbol of the Mojave, stands tall and resilient against the desert sky. In spring, the desert floor is painted with the vibrant colors of wildflowers, a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. Red Rock Canyon is a testament to the fact that there is more to Las Vegas than meets the eye. It's a place that celebrates the harmony between the man-made and the natural, the vibrant and the serene. Vegas is a blend of the man-made and the natural, making it the perfect destination. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. For the thrill seekers, our next stop is the exciting Adventure Dome. Located just off the Strip, the Adventure Dome is a haven for adrenaline junkies. This 5-acre indoor amusement park is filled to the brim with heart-stopping rides and attractions. If you're brave enough, strap into the Canyon Blaster, a roller coaster known for its double-loop, double-corkscrew track. Not for the faint-hearted, this ride reaches speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. If you're looking for something a bit more unique, take a spin on El Loco. This roller coaster is known for its gravity-defying twists, turns, and drops. You'll feel like you're flying as you soar through the air and plunge into the unknown. But the Adventure Dome isn't all about roller coasters. They've got a range of attractions to suit all tastes. You could try your hand at rock climbing, or perhaps take a swing at the mini golf course. If you're up for a challenge, try navigating your way through the laser maze, or take a ride on the disco, spinning and rocking while moving along a half-pipe track. Whether you're a roller coaster enthusiast or just looking for a fun-filled day out, the Adventure Dome is a must-visit. It's a place where you can let loose, have fun, and experience the thrill of a lifetime. Vegas truly has something for everyone. Stay tuned and remember to subscribe to our channel. That wraps up our top things to do in Las Vegas. From the glitz and glamour of the city's vibrant nightlife to the world-renowned Strip, a marvel of its own, we've covered it all. We've walked the dazzling Fremont Street and reveled in the natural beauty of the Red Rock Canyon. And let's not forget the adrenaline rush at the Adventure Dome, a testament to Vegas's versatility and thrill. Las Vegas, a city that never sleeps, offers an eclectic mix of experiences, a blend of the urban and the wild, the thrilling and the serene. Every corner holds a new surprise, a new story, a new adventure. It's a city that's always ready to amaze you every time you visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. Safe travels!